the mobile encyclopedia of organic wisdom.
Kasi wewe.
The granite calf intellectual oracle.
Baba, boss my head. Casino.
Baba, have you posted that they can't see Edas with another hand?
No be lie.
Oh, this one. They will call you Shegwari.
This one a foreign, no.
Shegwari to support them.
No, you know, put her for ground. Wait, man, bring sauce up for you.
Now, I was thinking comedy house. I thought they were talking at grace before you know, tortoise go to come out for wardrobe. Everywhere good. Hey, bro!
Kasi wewe!
My nigga. Oshagwari.
Yeah! Casino! They say they think the way snake train long, they don't see how to kill her. This is why you bring drink and money. You want marry second wife?
No, Baba. This one a logs wine.
Oh!
From South Africa.
I don't hear about this drink.
My leader, I want to do my show for a hotel. 10th of May.
I don't hear them.
It's a casino funny by nature. So I said, make I come meet you.
Baba, you deserve her. You don't too take.
You not sure that I go hotel.
I
beg, share the secret with me, bros.
Kasiwe, you know, say, my papa say, who they get epilepsy, no be stranger for dead body. Ask me why.
Why?
He they die always. Now my papa say, if they follow who they front, as far who they front no loss, you when they follow and no go loss unless you stubborn.
Now why not stubborn? Now say I can follow you. Your papa don't try. We go stop here because my papa say, wait prayer too long, he will come to complain.
No be lie.
And if incantation not too take for sure, no say Babalawo want talk like.
Kasiwe, ma tell you the truth. No. Wait. Casino wait. You know say, not really much different if they do show for Lagos and they do Benin.
Okay.
You don't know what you do for Benin last time. You shot everywhere down. You don't get the template.
That's why I put money for plate. I put money for plate.
So what you go do then? Lagos say they like loyalty.
And my work.
So you just sprinkle a little of loyalty, join your Benin template. That's so that they go there.
Baba, you have said it all. Because my papa say, no matter how motor speed reach for the division, enough he jam with the, enough he kill the wash am.
Casino wait, now my papa talk that one.
No, now let's get around. Now my papa talk am, bros.
Now my papa talk that one.
No, bros.
I no go feel like for you now.
No, bros. You don't lie for me so now. I don't even watch you when you talk that thing. Say, my papa say. Now my papa talk that thing, bros.
Kasi maybe your papa hear that for him. My papa say.
No.
You mean this, you know?
Which will be what I mean now. My papa not they talk. My papa not deaf and dumb.
You don't start to. I didn't say that my papa talk. I say
my papa talk.
Where your papa now?
My papa don't late.
You know say now waiting people talk when your papa they talk and kill him.
See, over my dead body, you cannot carry my papa legacy. Give your papa. That's what they do for this Lagos.
You mean this?
That's what they oppress person for Lagos.
See this upcoming a call 10 person, no?
Because I want to show now bro. You know what's in there? See, for you to carry my papa legacy, I don't want to see you in my show. Not come.
You know go so waiting?
I don't want to see you for my show, bro.
Casino.
Not come my show, bros.
So now so you get disrespectful?
Not come my show, bro.
Yeah, commander don't talk about you. I say man don't follow you. I bet leave the drink. Now they don't. No. They call her money go back.
No, my papa said if you can't greet person with respect, the person not respect himself. You go home with your respect. Not come and come tell.
Casino.
Bros.
You mean this, you know? So this is why commander they talk about you say you get bad character na true, abi?
Na true, bros. Oh. I don't want to see if I go hotel, bros. Don't come my show.
See this mama yo. You too small. Your face is cold. See this upcoming cold comedian. Now your face is cold. You want to? Now you dey run mad like this. Me I go come that show.
Bros, not come my show.
I say me go come that show.
Not come my show.
Me go come that show.
Not come my show.
Me go come that show.
Not come my show.
Let's see. Let's watch and see. Who be this one? That's what I'm gonna do. Rubbish. Not be your fault. Now my get man will open door for you. I will be on that court. Me Destalker. I go do the man see what go happen. Rubbish.
It's MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Eco Hotels, Lagos. Happening live on the 10th of May, 2026. Tickets, Platinum Table, 3 million Naira. Gold Table, 2 million Naira. VIP, 25K. And regular, 10K. Tickets are available at ariatickets.com. For partnership and participation, please call 0814-760-3678.